Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nintendo Switch. This came in a bundle. I'll show a picture of what it looks like. Yeah, but it came with Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. I guess it's a physical copy, which is cool. And then they also have 3 months of membership, which is also really cool. Now, it's different than the actual box that I was looking at, but it does have also a carrying case as well as another additional 12 months of Nintendo Switch Online, which is insane. So I basically have over a year. All right, let's get into it straight away. So basically, you've seen the boxes before. Nintendo, got the Nintendo Switch Lite on the other side. Opening the box. So here it is. So we have the Joy-Cons on the left. We have the pink/red. Really nice controller. Nice and fresh too. So we got that one, and then we have the left Joy-Con, which is the blue one. Here it is. This is what it looks like. Really nice. Everything feels nice and good. All right, and then we have the Nintendo Switch right here. I also did get some accessories. I got some glass screen protectors. I applied this before on the same Nintendo Switch Lite I have. The screen protector does a really good job, as you can see. The only crack it has is right there, and I've had this for over a year, so it's doing really good. That's why I went with the same brand. So this is the Nintendo Switch. We will apply the screen protector towards the end. Lifting the tray. We actually do have the carrying case right here. So this is the carrying case. This one actually looks super fresh, super clean right here. So as you can see, you have Nintendo right there. It's a blue and black. And then you have it right here. So really nice. Super good case. It's a soft material. It's not a hard TPU, but I mean, it's a starter one, so I guess it's good. And then the third layer, lifting up from that, you have the just health and regulatory information. You have the little, I guess, adapter for using it as a controller, technically. So you have that. Right here we have one of the straps. Right here we have the other strap. So we got two of them. Then underneath that, we got the HDMI. And we have the power supply. Same exact one that you get in Nintendo Switch Lite. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I'd recommend you go watch it. And then right here we have the actual dock. Get this out. Here it is. This is HDMI, Nintendo Switch, and then just some other stuff on the bottom. 2 USB ports. And then right here you actually have the inside parts. So you have a 3.0 port right here, a HDMI out, and a power. Put that to the side, and then I think that's it. Taking a look at the power supply real quick. This one is rated at 15 volts, 2.6 amps, or 30 watts of power. 39 watts of power, sorry. So here's the Nintendo Switch. We're gonna go and zoom in. We're gonna go ahead and apply the screen protector really quick. So here is the Evolver glass screen protector. Let's go ahead and open this. So it comes with everything, obviously, that you need. You got the wipes, you got the little squeegee to get the air bubbles out, and then you also have the glass right here. So just put it basically like that. Pretty simple. Gonna need one of those as well. Take off the dust. All right, so first we're gonna go ahead and wipe it. Just wipe everything down. Try not to get it on the speakers that much. Go ahead and get a dry wipe. Go ahead and dry it off. And we're good to go. So let's go ahead and get the dust sticker. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it like this. You're gonna put it like this. And then whenever dust you see before you apply it, just lightly tap it. Okay, and then once you're good to go, before you apply it, make sure there's no dust. I do see one more dust here. We can go ahead and apply it. Make sure you align the camera and the speakers first, and then you can align the bottom. Perfect. All right, and then it'll self-adhesive, can't speak. It'll just adhere onto the screen. You can use the squeegee included. Get the air bubbles out. If there's any on the edges, it'll go away after time. So let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. I have to sign into my Nintendo Switch account. So let's go ahead and power it on. There we go, powering it on. Okay, now it's asking for the Joy-Cons to be added. There's one, add the right one. There's the other one. Very simple. I didn't see the other ones, I only saw this one. I literally just searched up Nintendo Switch controller and this was like the first one that popped up, so might as well do it. So let's get into it. First we have the controller. Let's put it to the side. Right here we have a congratulations, you got a $10 gift card. Basically, they are, all right, and then right here you have user manual. All right, I mean, it feels pretty good in the hands already. Like I said, I did get 2 of these, and I've already tried one of them out, wiped it down and stuff. They do fit Control Freaks, which is insanely good. These are the Xbox One Control Freaks, so they fit Xbox One Control Freaks on here, or Xbox Series X, whatever you want to say.